Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn on how you can speed up a video using InShot. Since some people be stressing too much finding some editing apps or thinking they can use some other computer software or anything, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can. So simply start by opening InShot. And now that InShot is open, you can see even more tools to work with, so simply come and then click on this section part which says video. So from here simply select the video you would like to speed. And now that it's open you can see that we have so many editing tools, so to speed it up, simply slide left and come on this tool which says speed. So this is where we going to speed up the video, so click on it. And now after clicking on it, you can see that you have been given the rate you wish to speed up your video on, so for us let's simply increase it to 2 times. And if you play the video you will see that the video has speed up to as well to 2 times, so let's even adjust it higher to at least 10 times. And now as you can see it has been speed up to 10 times. So let's try slow it to an even much higher rate, so let's use 0.30. And now as you can see it has slowed down. So to turn it back to a normal speed, simply go back and adjust it to 1 times. And now as you can see it went back to normal, so from now on you can manage your videos. However, if you wanted you would go back and then speed up the changes back. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.